Welcome sa ating YouTube channel My Chard Reaction Vlog. For today's video ang ating pag-uusapan ay tungkol kina Alden Richards at Maine Mendoza, kung saan itong Star Cinema at GMA Pictures o yung mga sinehan nag-announce po sila na may free sailing daw sila ng mga tickets para sa paparating na movie nila Alden at Catherine at ang movie naman nagtambalang. Himpaw na nila Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino ay nababalitang inurong sa susunod na taon kaysa ngayong October sana ipalabas ang movie nila Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino na My Love Will Make You Disappear. Yan po ang movie nagkimpaw inurong dahil gusto nag-Star Cinema na yung movie nila Alden at Catherine. Ang sabihin na lang natin na itong movie nila Alden at Catherine ang panoorin ng mga tao kaysa sa movie nila Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino na sasabihin na lang natin. Nakasabayan nag-movie nila Alden at Catherine na ipapalabas. Ngayong taon itong sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon ay ayon lang sa aking sariling opinyon na kung isasabay nila ang movie nila Kim at Paolo Avellino sa movie nila Alden. Siguradong wala masadong manood sa movie ang nag-cut din dahil naubos na ang pera sa panonood sa movie nila Kim at Paolo na My Love Will Make You Disappear. Itong pinagsasabi ko ngayon hindi ko po ito pinupromote kundi sinasabi ko lang ang aking opinyon sa usaping ito. Sa isyong ito gusto nila na mas tangkilikin ng mga tao ang movie nila Alden kaysa sa movie nila Kim at Paolo. Ito po yung ibig sabihin nag-free sailing ng mga ticket sa movie nila Alden at Catherine ay parang naglabas sila nagmalaking pera tapos ipapamigay ng mga sinehan sa mga tao yung mga tickets tapos ipapatong ito yung kinita daw ng movie sa totoong kita ng movie para sasabihin ganito ang kinita sa unang araw nito pero sa madaling salita padeng yun lang naman ang ibig sabihin. O may discount ang mga tickets pero pinalalabas nila na regular price ito o nasa tamang presyo daw ang mga tickets para pag nilabas nila sa media sa TV sa online pag nakita mo ay sobrang laki nagkinita pero deep inside hindi naman totoo itong sinasabi ko po dito ay mga opinyon lamang nasa inyo na po kung maniniwala po ba kayo o hindi. Padang, in the context of movie earnings usually refers to inflating the box office numbers. It's a practice where studios or distributors might exaggerate the actual revenue a movie makes to make it seem more successful. Here's a breakdown of how padding might work in the movie industry. Ticket sales. Some studios might report higher ticket sales than they actually had, either by counting unsold tickets or by selling tickets at discounted prices and reporting them as full price. International revenue. The reported revenue from international markets can sometimes be inflated, especially in countries with less transparent accounting practices. Marketing and promotion costs. The costs associated with marketing and promoting a movie can be inflated to reduce the reported profits, making the movie seem more successful. Why do studios pad movie earnings? Boosting the movie's image. A higher box office number can create the impression that a movie is more popular and successful, even if it's not true. Securing better deals. Higher revenue numbers can help studios get better deals with distributors, exhibitors, and other partners. Attracting investors. A successful box office run can attract more investors to future projects. How to spot padding? Compare box office numbers. Look at the reported numbers from different sources. If there are significant discrepancies, it could be a sign of padding. Consider the movie's critical reception. If a movie is critically acclaimed but has low box office numbers, it could be a sign that the numbers are being inflated. Be aware of industry practices. Keep an eye out for news reports about studios being accused of padding box office numbers. It's important to note that not all reported box office numbers are inflated. However, it's always good to be aware of the possibility of padding and to be critical of pad numbers you see. Bago tayo magpaalam, ano po ba ang inyong opinyon ukol sa balita na ito? Nais ko lang malaman, paki-comment lang sa ating comment section sa baba. Salamat po. May part 2 po itong video natin kay Maine Mendoza, naman tayo sa next video. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating munting video mga ka-aldab. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.